Hi guys, my name is Andrew Royke and I am the Director of Education here at Aquis Hair. I'm here to talk to you today about our signature turbans and towels. We are the first line designed to specifically address water damage. A lot of people tend to think that water is really hydrating for their hair, but it's actually incredibly damaging. So we'll talk to you now about how we can protect your hair from the damaging effects of water. After you're done washing your hair, you can actually choose to dry your hair by blotting it with the Aquis Rapid Dry Hair Turban, which is going to dry your hair about 50% faster than using a regular towel, all while giving yourself a suite of incredible hair benefits like fighting frizz, making your hair more easy to manage, and also making your hair softer and shinier. So here you go, we're gonna put this on your head. You're gonna actually put the turban on the nape of your neck here on the back, right where that button is, and you're gonna throw all of your wet hair actually into the turban itself. And you'll see that the fabric feels incredibly soft and smooth and really lightweight. And slowly, once all of your hair is actually in the turban, you're gonna start to gently twist the turban. And you're gonna start twisting, 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 and twisting. And what's great about this is not only are you going to be making that fit a little bit more snug, you're also gonna help to actually take out some of that water just by that twisting motion. And that's a wrap on our Aquis Rapid Dry Hair Turban demo, and we hope that you try it and love it as much as we do. Find it at your local Sephora or online.
Sephora.